Hello students, wish you all very good morning. How are you? I hope that all of you are fine and doing well and attending the classes regularly. So, students, what about today? Today we will discuss about decimal as we have discussed last session also, and this session also dedicated for decimal. Okay. So in this session we will discuss about decimal, line decimal, unline decimal, how to subtract, how to add, how to multiply and divide. Okay, it means more details about decimal. So, assurance as usual, before proceeding, what you have to do is a headphone, okay, and take out a textbook, notebook, and let's start. So, students, number first, like decimals. Like means how you feel like. Wow, I like sweets. Wow, I like something. You say always. Mama, why you have cooked this much rice or this vegetables? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. What is like? Yes. At what sense you are using the word like? Same way here also. Okay. That like decimals, it means decimals having the same number of decimal places. Decimals having the same number of decimal places. Same number of decimal places. Okay, students. So, what's this sentence? This sentence, what say decimals having the same number of decimal places are called as like decimal. Sure. What the number is given in series? What the number given in series? Among that series, we have to be separate whether that series or numbers are like decimals or not. So, how will you identify it? Nothing you have to worry about it. Simply you check its decimal places. You know there are two places of decimal. Number first is that whole number part. Second is that fractional part. That fractional part is called decimal part. Okay. Already it was discussed in last session, and if you have seen, if you have watched, definitely you will come to know. Okay. In decimal there are two parts. Number first, whole part. It means the left hand side of the decimal, and right hand side of the decimal is fractional part, that is called decimal part. Okay, students. So I'm talking about decimal part, not I'm talking about fraction whole part. I'm talking about decimal part. So in decimal part, what you have to check that the number of places after decimal, what number of places were given. If number of places same in all, among all, okay, what the series of the numbers given in that all series number of decimal places are same, it means we can say definitely that is like decimal. We can say, see, it is 6.7, it is 362.5, it is 90.5, it is 1264.2. But what is same in all? All numbers are different, that numbers is given in series. But what is one thing is equal in all? That what is this? That the point is what the decimal after decimal digits are there, that all digits are at the same place. We can see after decimal only one digit, after decimal only one digit, here also one digit, here also one digit. That will be the equal, and that should be the equal. If that is the equal, it means that is the like decimals. Okay, students. I think that I hope that you all understood. So, if any problem may create, definitely you can ask. And come to the unlike decimal. In unlike decimal, what is there? Just opposite of it. Just opposite of it. Okay. The decimals having different number of decimal places. Decimals having decimal number of different places. It means different number of decimal places. Okay. So if there are different decimal places, we can say that is the unlike decimal. We can see, we can check 6.32 here after decimal 2 places are there. Here after decimal 1 places are there. Here after decimal 3 places are there. It means in that way, in all numbers, in the given series, all numbers decimal places are varied to each together. Nobody are similar to each others. Okay, that's why we will say that is the unlike decimal. So all have different decimal places, so we will say unlike decimal. Okay, students. See what is note. Students, see note is very important. Note is very important when or anywhere. If note is given, the remark is given, that is exceptional is given, it's very important. So go through it. See, putting any number of zeros, putting any number of zeros to the right of the decimal part, to the right of the decimal part. Okay, decimal part you know very well. Or in decimal part, what the number of zeros you are giving, that you are placing, does not change its value. It will not change your value. See, if there is 2.8 number is given, supposed to be 2.8 number is given, so we can write 2.80 also, 2.800 also, 2.8000. It will, how many number of zeros you want to put, you can, but all will be same. That's value will not change. Its value will not change. Be careful. 9.6 also, 9.60, 9.600, 9.600. It means that all are same. Because what the number of zeros you are adding just in the decimal part after the digit, that will not change its value. Okay, students? So now we will discuss about addition of decimal. In addition of decimal, what you have to measure things that you should maintain. Do you know? Only one major things are there, one or two. And major things are there. What the number is given in series, that numbers arrange in column, or it doesn't arrange. It's not necessarily arrange or not. That you do in the row or you can do in the column also. Okay, students? But it's important what the number has given in decimal places or what the number has given in whole places. That is very important to be take care of it. Are you getting my point? To be take care of it, it's very important. If it mistakes, it means complete maths will wrong. So how it will be solved? You can say you don't have to be very simple. If you are not getting properly, what you can do one thing simple, make it like decimal. Make it like decimal. Do you know like decimal? What the number is given, and after that number and decimal places, we can add any number of zero. Its value will not change. So you can consider the given number of series, what the number of decimal places given, what maximum decimal places given in number. See the maximum decimal places and make all number series in like decimal. Convert it into like decimal. Now it will be easy. So number first things you have to take care of it. Decimal. You have to manage the decimals. You have to manage the decimals. Decimals places should not be changed. Doesn't matter their numbers may vary, but doesn't matter. But that decimal will not change. That decimal will not replace by any numbers. Okay. So how it will be arranged in column method. First of all, we will see in column method. Once we learn in column method, exactly and definitely we will learn how to solve in row method. Okay. So what I say that what the decimal places are there, that decimal always will arrange in front of decimal. Okay. Doesn't matter the numbers of series will move ahead and move backward. That doesn't matter. But the number of decimal places always will in front of placed together. See, 36.4. Decimal is there. 273.decimal. First of all, we will put here decimal. After decimal, what is it? 06. So put here 0, then after 6. Before decimal, 3. 3, 7, 2. Understand? What is it? That decimal always will be in front of this together. See here, 9 point this one. First of all, decimal. Point decimal. 9. Here 9. 397. 397. Here is 68 because there is no decimal places. So we will not put decimal places. We will put and 8, 6. What is there? There is bracket. So simple, make it what? Like decimal. What we will make? Like decimal. So that it will not confuse us. Are you getting my point? When you will once converted into decimal places, it will not disturb you. Now what will answer? 0, 0, 0, 7. That will be 7. 0, 6, 9. 9, 6, 15, 0. 15 remains 1. 4, 1, 5, 3, 8. Decimal, 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 decimal. Okay. And after that, 6 and 9, 9, 9, 18, or 89, 27 minus 1, 26. Remains 2. 3 or 7, 10, 10 or 6, 16 or 2, 18. Remains 1. 2 or 1, 3. Are you getting my points? So whenever you will do row method, what you have to take care of it after decimal, just consider or manage the decimal places. Consider the decimal places. If you consider the decimal places, definitely you will be able to solve. And if not, then you will make falling suspicion and you will not capable to do it. Okay. So I hope that all the things you have understood, and what are the remaining portions of this chapters we will see in the next video. But what the questions is given on the basis of this chapter, kindly solve it. Okay, till that, thank you.